In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use the Canva Klaviyo integration to streamline your design and email marketing process. First, let's dive into connecting Canva to Klaviyo. Start by navigating to Klaviyo and directing yourself to the Integrations section. Once there, head over to Explore Apps, where you'll find a search bar. Input Canva, and when it appears in the search results, click on Install. This action sets the stage for a seamless connection between Canva and Klaviyo. Now, let's switch over to Canva. While working within your design, you'll notice the Klaviyo icon subtly positioned in the lower left corner. This is your gateway to connecting the two platforms. Click on this icon, and a prompt will guide you to connect. You'll need to log in to your Klaviyo account. If you're already logged in on your browser, this step should be a breeze. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll need to authorize the integration. This step is crucial as it allows the two platforms to communicate and share data seamlessly. With the integration set up, you're all set to export your designs. In Canva, go ahead and click that Klaviyo icon on your design. Before you proceed, take a moment to rename your image if you wish. This can be particularly helpful in keeping your designs organized and easy to locate later. With or without renaming, your next decision involves choosing the right file type. Canva offers options like JPG, PNG, and GIF, which are suited for varying needs. Pick one that aligns best with your intended use for the image. Once you've made your choice, initiate the export process. A simple click on Start Export, followed by Export, will do the trick. At this point, your design will effortlessly transfer over to your Klaviyo account. To locate your freshly exported design, head to the Content section within Klaviyo, then navigate to Images and Brand. Here, in your image library, your Canva creations are readily available, perfectly poised for use. The final step involves integrating your design into a Klaviyo email. Whether you're crafting a new email template or editing an existing one, simply open your email template. Within the template editor, utilize Klaviyo's intuitive drag-and-drop feature. Find your newly exported image in the image library and smoothly drag it into your email content. This functionality provides immense creative freedom, enabling you to infuse visually compelling elements into your marketing emails. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the Canva Klaviyo integration. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create visually stunning emails and elevate your marketing campaigns with ease.